going on holiday! Holiday! Celebrate! To bring my inner Madonna out. But we are going on holiday! Doo! I'm so freaking excited. I've had this holiday booked for like well over a year, I think. But I'm going to Cape Verde! Yay! So excited. So yeah, we're going to do a pack with me. We are going to get ready. Today is actually my birthday. So you know, the thing you want to do when you pack on your birthday. But I'm going on holiday tomorrow. I should have had it done a few days ago, but life happens, business happens. I've had a hectic week during business, so yeah, today is the only time I seem to have that I can go and do some packing. So we are going to get everything packed. Everything back here on this rail right here is hopefully everything that I can get into my suitcase. So yeah, let's get to it because we're going on holiday. So here's the things which I am hoping to take. So I've got like a few waistcoats which actually come with matching trousers, and then I've got some vests and then some Bardo tops which are for the evening, a nice little cover up, and then I've got a couple of shirts, some shorts, skirts, trousers, and then obviously some dresses, a blazer, a cardigan which I think I'm going to go into the airport with, and then like a nice little sleeveless waistcoat as well. So yeah, I am really loving this holiday rail right now. So yeah, I've decided on like which different outfits I'm going to take and that. So yeah, I think this is a good holiday rail. I've also got my trusty packing cubes because we love a packing cube, we love organisation. There's nothing worse than like putting in your clothes in your suitcase and then you get to the place and then you're just trying to find something and it's just all over the place, whereas packing cubes are just great for organisation. I just have like one for shorts and trousers and bottoms, yeah, another one for tops, or you know, one for dresses, whatever I decide to do. But yeah, so we do love a bit of organisation. I've officially packed everything into my packing cube. So I've got like tops and outerwear in there. Then I've got some skirts in there, my underwear and swimwear in there. And then I've got some trousers in there. And then I've got dresses in there. So yes, then I've got to put it into my suitcase. I've also got all my toiletries laid out. So I've got my skincare. So I've got my LMS cleansing balm, and then I've got moisturiser for the day, moisturiser for the night, essence, and then my cellar water and some eye gel. I got my flight socks because, you know, health and safety and all that. Then I got my razor, a hair clip to take out. Then I've just decanted my shower gel, and then I've just got a little mini shampoos and conditioner, deodorant, lip seal, my sun cream, because I much prefer having like smaller versions. When I was younger, I would always end up taking like massive bottles, whereas I was just like, I don't really need to take that much. So I now just get like little ones, already canned stuff as well. And then I've got my jewellery over here as well, which I need to put into my little jewellery box. And then I've just got some panty liners as well to take with me. I've got to get my sun cream as well, so that's got to go in there. And then yeah, that's all my toiletries. Right, we've got everything in the suitcase, got all my clothes, got my beach towel, got some belts, got a bag, my makeup's in there, my toiletries are going to go in there once I finish with them in the morning. Then I've got my shoes, my tripod, and then my hat. So yeah, hopefully it's not too heavy and it's all good. Just got to do also my, what's it called? My little bag, my hand luggage. That's it. I've also got to do that as well. And then we're pretty much all good to go, ready and packed. So we're all good to go. We're all packed now. So yeah, I just got to do my last little bits for hand luggage and then we're all good to go. I got myself a little, so I've made myself a bundle, like a holiday capsule wardrobe bundle, and I sell it, so I will link it in the description box down below. But I made myself like a checklist, which you get inside the bundle as well, which is really cool. The bundle's only £12, so it's nice and cheap and cheerful, because you get a holiday checklist and then you get like a holiday capsule wardrobe inside of it, so you can use the different outfits and know what to pack, and it's all done for you pretty much. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, so I used my own holiday checklist and written down everything that I need to take, and then I'm just going to now tick it all off and see what else I am missing, because there's always something that you think like, what am I missing? What am I missing? So yes, it's always really handy to have something like this. So yeah, you can get your own one in the description box down below. And yeah, so we're all good to go. Flight's pretty early in the morning, so I would say I would get an early night tonight, but that's probably not going to happen at all. So yeah, we're all good to go. So Cape Verde, here we come. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.